welcome back to White House Farm. What I'm going to show you today is how to make honey lollipops. And this recipe that I'm making today is going to be for right around a dozen or so, depending on how big you pour them, honey lollipops. Fresh from our farm, great honey. So first thing you're going to need is a 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, just regular white sugar here. Pour that in. Then you're going to need 3/4 cups of water. You want to turn this on high. And then you're going to stir this until the sugar dissolves. Almost like you're making simple syrup. So we'll check back once all the sugar has been dissolved. Roughly about 10 minutes. So once it's boiling, we can shut it off for right now, and we're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of honey. We have our fresh honey. It's all unfiltered, fresh honey. You want to stir that in really good, get it mixed up nice. You want to stir this up really good, and then go ahead and turn it back on high and get it boiling. And roughly 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how long it takes for you to get this to a boil. One thing to mention when you are bringing this to a boil, the honey's going to want to foam up, so make sure you got a big enough container that it doesn't foam out of it. And then once it starts to stop foaming, should be towards the end of your 10 minutes. Then you're going to go ahead and turn it off and let it sit. Same thing with making taffy. During the boil process, if you don't have a big enough pan, it's going to want to boil over. So you got to be careful. But then once it gets going and breaks down the honey and the sugar that's in there, it'll be like this. So once your 10 minutes is up, go ahead and remove that from the heat. And to check it, you can take a little bit with a glass with a little bit of water in it, scoop some out, and pour it in there. And you can check the consistency. Yep. See how I'm able to form it? There we go. That's how we know it's done. So now you can take candy molds, or you could use aluminum foil and use a spoon and pour it out and make little lollipops out of it. Or you can get fun with it. And I just have regular popsicle sticks that I cut in half. And I got some in there right now. We'll go ahead and start pouring it in there and let them set. Alright, so we actually put them in the fridge to cool them down a little bit, and my wife and son actually took one already. But pop right out, and look at that. That is pretty cool. And you can make longer sticks, kind of like we did here with the gummies. And I was just trying this out, see how they'd come out on there. You can always trim them up too. But that's pretty neat. I like this style more. This was just a test run with the gummies, the gummy worms. but I'm going to look for more types of different molds like this. But you could also use aluminum foil, and like I said, use a spoon and put out dabs of it, and then put your stick in it and let it set that way, and it'll actually look like a regular lollipop. But these are more like Reese's style, except it's honey. And the cool thing is, same wrappers I use for wrapping our taffy, put them in here, and then put this down, and do a, there we go, wrapped lollipop. I already made one, and you can put them in there, and now you got wrapped lollipops. Pretty cool. Ready to go. So pretty cool. Now we got a bunch of wrapped honey pops. So now we got our honey taffy and our honey pops. And I had some excess, so I wanted to put it in a mold of some sort. Hey guys.
Hi.
Made you some treats. Oh, which one do you want? There's different types.
Sweet.
Yeah.
What's this?
It's a thicker one. Oh, you guys like the long ones? Okay. All right, try that out. Can you guess what it is?
A warm honey.
A warm honey, yep. What do you think?
Good. It sort of tastes like a real lollipop.
Well, that's kind of what it's supposed to be. It's a real honey lollipop right from your bees. So you guys need to go thank your bees for these.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right, so I got everyone's approval. The rest of them inside, I already ate them. As you can see, they dug in before I got a chance to wrap them. But once again, check out all of our videos on everything else we do here on the farm. And we hope you
Like,
enjoy.
subscribe.
And as usual, we'll see you on the next one.
Bye,
All right.
guys.
Bye, guys. All right, enjoy those pops.
Yep.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.